How to make group chat on Snapchat. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. It is a quick and easy process. To begin with, go ahead and launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you are logged in. Tap on the chat icon at the bottom. In your bottom right, you have to tap on the blue icon with the chat icon. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, select every Snapchatters that you want to add in your Snapchat group. All you have to do is simply tap on the user, or you can even search for the user in the search bar. Once you are done from adding, just tap on Chat with Group. Tap on Name Group. Then you can rename your group easily from here. And you are all set to chat with their friends. You can even manage your friends by tapping on the group chat icon at the top or text them individually as well. It is a quick process. However, if you face any of the difficulty, you have to open up your phone setting and scroll down to Apps. Then head to All Apps. Tap on the search icon and search for Snapchat and tap on it. Select Force Stop. Head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This will help with the bug issue and glitches. And that is exactly how you can make your group chat on Snapchat. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.